Hey men, let's talk about something real. Do you ever look at your partner and wonder where that initial spark went? That feeling when you first met, when everything was exciting and new. Here's a hard truth. Falling in love isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing process, a choice you have to make every single day. The good news is, you absolutely can make her fall head over heels for you again, even after years together. It's not about magic, it's about effort. Let's break down how. First, let's bring back the romance. Remember those early days, the spontaneous dates, the little love notes you'd leave on her car, the sweet thinking of you texts out of the blue. Why did that stop? Life gets busy, I get it. But those small gestures are the fuel for the romantic fire. Start again. Plan a surprise weekend trip, even if it's just to a nearby town. Buy her those flowers she loves for no reason at all. Write her a heartfelt letter about what she means to you. It's not about grand, expensive displays. It's about showing her she's still on your mind. These are the things that made her fall for you in the first place, and they'll work their magic again. Next, start complimenting her genuinely. It's so easy to get comfortable and assume she knows how you feel. But think about it, when was the last time you told her she looked beautiful? Not just a quick "you look nice," but a real, look her in the eyes, "Wow, you are absolutely stunning" kind of compliment. Tell her you admire her intelligence, her strength, how she handles challenges. Acknowledge her hard work, whether it's in her career or at home. Be specific. "I love the way you laugh," or "I'm so proud of how you handled that situation today." These words are powerful. They reaffirm her value in your eyes and reignite the sparks that may have dimmed over time. Words have the power to make someone feel seen and cherished. Now, this one is crucial. Pay attention to her growth. The woman you're with today is not the same person you met 5, 10, or 20 years ago. She has evolved. She has new hobbies, new passions, new dreams, and new struggles. Have you taken the time to get to know this new version of her? Ask about that book she's reading, or the new project she is excited about at work. Listen when she talks about her frustrations. Show her that you are not just in love with the memory of who she was, but you are actively falling in love with the incredible woman she is becoming right now. Your interest in her personal journey shows that you're a true partner, not just a passenger in her life. This leads directly to rebuilding emotional intimacy. Remember those late night conversations where you'd talk for hours about everything and nothing? Your dreams, your fears, your wildest ambitions. Let's bring that back. Put the phones away, turn off the TV, and just talk. Ask her deep questions again. What's something you're dreaming about lately? What's been on your mind that you haven't had a chance to say? And when she answers, truly listen. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Hear her, understand her, and validate her feelings. This emotional connection is the foundation of a deep, lasting romantic bond. It's the glue that holds everything together. Let's also talk about reigniting the physical connection. And I'm not just talking about what happens in the bedroom. Affection is a language spoken through touch. When was the last time you held her hand while walking through the grocery store? Or gave her a long, warm hug when you got home from work? Kiss her forehead while you're watching a movie? Cuddle on the couch? These small, non-sexual touches are incredibly important. They communicate safety, comfort, and constant affection. They say, "I'm here, I'm with you, and I adore you." These little moments of physical closeness keep the flame of love alive and burning bright. Finally, and this might be the most powerful tip of all, keep growing yourself. When a man is actively working on becoming a better version of himself, whether that's in his career, his fitness, his discipline, or his mindset, it's incredibly attractive. Don't become stagnant. Pursue your own goals with passion. Develop new skills, read books, take on challenges. When you radiate confidence, purpose, and self-respect, she will naturally be drawn to that energy. You're not just improving for her, you're improving for you. And in doing so, you become a more inspiring, engaging, and magnetic partner. She see you in a new light and fall for the man you are becoming. So remember, guys, love doesn't fade because time passes. It fades because effort fades. If you choose to bring that effort back, to be intentional with your love, you can make her fall for you again and again. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to hear from you. Man, have you ever rekindled the spark in your relationship? What worked for you? And ladies, what's the one thing a man can do that makes you fall in love all over again? Share your stories in the comments below. Your answer might just help save someone else's love story. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building stronger relationships. See you in the next one.